I'm not broken, I'm still going up, 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 I'll show.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how I use this Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I had to read the name from the box because it's a long name. So this will be my second time using this brush, and I have to say that I really like it. If you guys are like me, that you don't know how to use a blow dryer and a brush, I'm that person. I don't know how to blow dry my hair with a normal blow dryer, so this is a lifesaver. I'm not gonna lie, this is a lifesaver. So also I saw Kathleen Lights saying that this is a dupe for the Dyson hair wrap or whatever the name is. That Dyson thing is so expensive. This was like 55 euros. I just finished doing my hair. As you can see, it's very bouncy very bouncy and voluminous. I have like 3 strings of hair. This is my natural hair. I don't have any extensions on and I have to say that I'm pretty happy with how this makes my hair feel. Like it's super bouncy, as I said, and voluminous. And I guess that's it for this long ass intro. And also in today's video I'm going to show you what products I'm recently loving to take care of my precious hair. So yeah guys, if you want to see how this brush works for me and how I achieved this voluminous hair, honestly this is not a review, this is more like a first impressions / hair tutorial. In today's video I'm going to shout out Sabina. Thank you so much for your support. She's a cutie. I'm going to insert her Instagram right here. She does amazing makeup looks, so go and follow her on Instagram. And as I said, if you want to be mentioned in my videos, just be subscribed to the channel and stay active in the comment section, and also go and follow me on Instagram and stay active there as well, because I'm doing Instagram shoutouts as well. So that's all you have to do to be mentioned in my videos. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous Hollywood hair, I'm just kidding. If you want to see how I achieved this hair and how this brush works for me, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is how my hair looks when it's wet. Right now it's like 60% dry. I'm going to let this dry a little bit more, but my hair is like wavy, curly, frizzy, fine, very fine. No body whatsoever, not cute. Okay, my hair is not cute. I'm not happy with my hair, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm working with. And if you guys wonder what products I'm using on my hair, I have to say that investing in good quality products really makes a huge difference. Like last year I went to a salon to get my hair done, and they introduced me to this brand Kerastase, and they suggested me to use this specific range, the Bain Therapiste. This is for very damaged, over processed hair, which I can relate. My hair was super damaged, I have to say, and also it was like it didn't have body. My hair didn't have body, if that makes sense. And I noticed that this adds more body. Anyway, this video is not about the products, but I have to say that this worked for me. This did wonders. I have to say that this did wonders, and I stick to this brand because I saw a huge difference in my hair, as I said. And recently I purchased the Botanica mask. This is for very dry hair as well, which I can relate. And as a heat protector I'm using this Nectar Thermique. This is like a milky leave-in conditioner. It looks like this, is white and smells so good, but I noticed that if I use too much on my hair, it leaves this residue, which I don't really enjoy. It makes my hair look flat, if that makes sense. So I use very little amount of product on the ends. And also I want to try a oil heat protector from this brand. So yeah, this is what I use on my hair, and I have to say that honestly I saw a difference using this brand. And I know it's very expensive, like only this one it was 33 euros. 33 euros, this leave-in mask. No, this is a hair mask, not leave-in. And also the shampoo is a little bit more cheaper. This is like 17 euros or so. and I think this was 22 euros. I don't know exactly, but anyway, this video is not about the products I'm using on my hair. This video is about this hairbrush that literally changed my hair game. I know you can't tell right now, but I'm going to show you in a second. I have to say that this will be my second time using this hairbrush. I did use it before, like when I got this, like when this arrived at my door. I was super excited and I wanted to try it to see, you know, to see for myself if this works. I have to say that, wow, this is absolutely amazing. I don't have much hair. As I said, my hair is super thin, very fine. It doesn't have body because it's so thin, and I do like to wear my hair very straight, and because I have very fine hair, and when it's straight it gets very flat, like right here on top, and this adds a little bit of volume. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to show you. But I have to say that for the life of me, I don't know how to use a normal hair dryer and a brush. This is what I was using before, and I have to say that I don't know how to work my hands. I don't know how to work this thing. I know, as stupid as it sounds, I don't know how to work my hands, you know. So I'm doing this like backwards, and I'm getting only my ends to be very smooth and also kind of straight. So I noticed that when I go and flat iron my hair, I spend less time because, as I said, I get the ends pretty smooth and pretty straight. So I only have to straighten this part right here. But as I said the other day, I was using this, and this is a game changer. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to show you right now how it works. First, I'm going to brush my hair, and I'm going to work in sections. And a little info on this brush: I paid 55 euros or 56 euros. I got this from Amazon, and it was sold out for about 2 months, but I pre-purchased this, if that's how you say it. I purchased this when it was sold out, and then when they put this back in stock, they send it to me automatically because I already paid for it. I'm going to tell you right now how much I paid, like exactly. Okay, so right now is 59 euros and 99 cents, and again is out of stock. I did paid 56, anyway, it doesn't matter. So I have to say that I was a little bit scared because it looks big. It looks big, but it's pretty weightless, like very light. It's very light. And also this box is very big, even though there's only this brush inside. So it came with instructions. I didn't have time to read them, but anyway. And I guess the cord is like 3 meters long, I don't know exactly. And also the plug-in is European plug-in. It's very user-friendly. It has only 2 speeds, low and high, and also it has a cooling option. And I noticed that the air is not very cold, it's more like warm air, if that makes sense. And then when I have this on high, it gets super hot. You don't want to touch this with your hands, so be careful of that. Other than that, it's super user-friendly, as I said. So yeah, I guess I'm going to show you how this works. It has this oval shape, and also I noticed that on the sides it has more bristles, and right here it has like this long bristles, and as you can see right here it has more bristles, and they are a little bit more dense. So I guess I'm done with the tucking. I'm going to show you how this works. As I said, I'm going to work in sections. I don't have much hair, which this process is super easy to me, and I guess I'm going to insert a cute song and let you guys watch me doing my hair with this thing. Wow. This is not too noisy. I have to say that my blow dryer is way louder than this one, which is very nice. And I'm going to start with the high option, and then I'm going to go to the cooling option to, you know, to kind of set the hair, if that makes sense, because you're supposed to use a cooling air after you blow dry to keep the hair shiny, and I guess that's it. Anyway. how red my neck is, and also my ears. As I said, this gets pretty hot, so be careful with this. And I'm almost done. I only have to do this part, and I like to do it this way because this way it adds more volume, and then I'm going to do it backwards. Wow.
I can't remember yesterday with you. Stare myself in the silence. Who knows if I'll even remember you?
If you are happy with this result, you go, girl. But as I said, I like my hair pretty straight. So after this, I'm going to go and ruin my flat iron just a little bit to get this a little bit more straight. But as I said, I like this volume, I'm not gonna lie. And my hair feels so smooth. I'm going to show you how it looks on the back. I didn't mention, but I don't have extensions. I like to wear clip-ins. I don't have any extensions. As you can see, I have like 3 strings of hair. So this is how it looks on the back. I hope it looks okay. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have like a lot of short hairs. I don't know if they are baby hairs or they are like breakage. But when I was doing this part, like from here, a lot of baby hairs were like up there. And I guess that's it for this hair tutorial. Let me know down below if you guys have this brush, if you like it, if you don't like it, if it works for you, if you plan to buy this. Just let me know down below what are your thoughts, and also let me know down below what do you think about my hair. Like from 1 to 10, how would you rate this? I feel like my hair is pretty straight. This did the flat iron job as well. As I said, I'm going to ruin the flat iron a little bit because I want my ends to be more straight. As I said, let me know down below what do you think about this brush, because I really like to read your opinions. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.